Nandito na po tayo, magbe-breakfast tayo sa Bills. Tignan ho natin kung meron pa pong pwesto. Tignan natin. Dito lang po pwede kasi si Bruno mag-breakfast. Tignan po natin. Ayan po, meron po siya nakitang kaibigan. Oh, walk this way. Dig into our dog menu. Ooh. Lovely. I don't know, which one do you prepare? Are you alright with the cold, windy?
Not inside, please.
Come on, bro. Good job. Morning. Thank you. Ayan, mag-order na po tayo. Mamaya na lang po ulit. Good boy. Sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Good boy.